$1,600 in commissions so far this week and zero personal sales. How is that even possible?
My friend DK is about to share the secret that me, him, and thousands of other online entrepreneurs have uncovered to unlock income on autopilot. This is different than affiliate marketing and creates something that is very special. So be sure that you stay through to the very end, because I guarantee you will not want to miss this.
What's up, my friend DK here. And in this video, I want to quickly talk about some major differences between network marketing and affiliate marketing. Now, I have a lot of peers and friends that are into both. Some of them are, diehard network marketing. Some are diehard affiliate marketing. What I'm about to share with you is a video that I just shared with my team the other day. And I actually had several people comment on it. And actually a few people have reached out to me saying, hey, can I share your video with some other people? So what I wanted to do is I wanted to put it here on my channel, and I wanted you to see it for yourself. And if you are an affiliate marketer, what I want you to do is I just want you to check this out, and I want you to understand the difference between leverage, having leverage, and not having leverage. And as an affiliate marketer, chances are you probably don't have the leverage that you want. And you know that if you are marketing, you're driving traffic, whether it be solo ads, paid ads, any sort of traffic that you're driving, maybe from social media, as soon as you take your foot off the gas, that income goes away. With network marketing, you can create something called leverage, where if you do take your foot off the gas a little bit, your team and income can still continue to build and grow. So stay tuned. Please make sure you watch this entire video all the way through and listen to this message that I'm about to share with you. Again, I just shared this with my team. I was feeling a little passionate and a little feisty, and I wanted to share this message with my team because I wanted them to understand what they had right at their fingertips, and also what you watching this video right now can have at your fingertips. If you are an affiliate marketer, but you're tired of the ups and downs, you're tired of getting results one minute and not getting results the next, and you want leverage, you want walk away income, then please watch this video all the way through. And also, if you're here and you're watching this to this point, thank you. I appreciate you. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below, ring the bell, get notified anytime I post new content here on my channel. And also, if you want to see, what type of business I'm in and all the free training and free courses that I offer here on my channel, go ahead and click the links down below, or you can click over to my channel and go check that information out. Now, here's what you need to understand about affiliate and network marketing. Watch this video. I had a little bit of a realization this morning, and I wanted to share that realization with you guys, because this is pretty important. It's not pretty important. It's actually very important what I'm going to share with you guys today. And at the end of the day, numbers don't lie. You guys know that 1,000%, okay, 1,000%, I don't sugarcoat. I do not sugarcoat, and I literally, I tell it to you straight. I tell it to you like it is. I'm not going to hide anything. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm not going to, the kid gloves are off, okay? So I'm going to show you guys some proof, like literal proof of what's possible with you and your savings highway team, okay? I'm going to try to keep this video short, but I'm just going to be honest with you, feeling a little feisty. I got a little fire in the belly this morning. I'm recording some videos today for some upcoming content. So just rocking and rolling, man. The vibe is good. The vibe is high. Things are just rocking and rolling right along. So what I need you guys to do is tune in, pay attention. I want to talk about the power of leverage. And with leverage, okay, with leverage, you guys all have the opportunity here on our team in network marketing. You guys have the power and the ability and the opportunity to achieve financial leverage. And as we've stated before, and what's also stated right at the top of our group page, right in the cover photo, you are literally one person away from changing your financial future. I want you guys to think about that. You're one person away from changing your financial future. One person away. Okay? You guys, and that's the beauty of this. Like, we're all equal. Everybody here is all equal. We all have that equal opportunity. And a perfect example, a perfect story is this woman, Christina, who sponsored Bill, right? Bill joined her, kind of to say like, hey, you've joined me in a bunch of my things, so I'll go ahead and join you in one of yours. And what has Bill done? Bill has put thousands of people onto his team and made Christina a lot of money, right? One person can change your financial future. And that's the difference between this and affiliate marketing. Now, what happens? Let me ask you guys a question. What happens when you're an affiliate and you're an affiliate marketing opportunity, okay? Whether it be a 1-level affiliate, a 2-level affiliate, when you take your foot off the gas and you stop promoting that affiliate opportunity, what happens to your income? And this is where I'm going to show you guys proof of what I'm talking about. What happens if you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting, let's say, and it doesn't matter what the income stream is, if it's high ticket, low ticket, whatever it is. What happens to your income if you take your foot off the gas? What happens to your income? So yes, Jason, correct, says it's gone, right? Also, as an affiliate, let's say you're an affiliate marketer, right? Yeah, it's correct. Scott, correct. It stops, right? Let's say you bring in Bob X, right? Bob X joins your affiliate marketing opportunity, and then Bob turns around and plows in 5,000 people. How much do you make on average? How much do you make off of Bob's efforts? If you're in a 1-level affiliate, how much do you make off of Bob's efforts? If Bob just says, oh, wow, this is a great opportunity, I'll blast this out to my list, and then Bob plows in 5,000 people, how much do you make off of Bob? Quick question. I'm asking you guys, quick question. On average, that's right, Jason, on average, 0. Because if you're in a 1-level affiliate, you only get paid on your directs. So if you take your foot off the gas and you stop promoting that affiliate opportunity, your income stops, right? If you stop promoting, your income stops, right? Now, you can try to juggle multiple things. And you can try to keep traffic going to this, and then also try to keep traffic going to this, and then maybe pick up another thing, try to keep traffic going. And you try to keep traffic going to multiple different things. But I can tell you from experience, it can be a little challenging. And where your energy flows is also where the commissions flow. I can tell you that from experience too, is that your commissions are going to flow where your energy is. And it doesn't matter what type of traffic or how much traffic you have flowing to other things. If your energy isn't in it, it's going to be really hard to generate commissions. Okay? So let me show you something. I want you guys to pay very, very close attention to this right here. Okay? So I'm going to show you my account. So for everyone here where you guys try to promote multiple things, I want to show you proof. Numbers don't lie. People do sometimes more than others. Numbers don't lie. Okay, check this out. So I'm going to share my screen. How many people have I personally recruited this week? Comment that when you see that. How many people have I personally recruited this week? Everybody see that? Everyone see this number right here? How many people have I personally sponsored this week? Okay. What's that number say? 0. Kelly, that's right. I've sponsored no people this week. 0. I've had 0 sales. How much have I earned this week? How much have I earned? Everybody see that? How much have I earned this week? Think about this. I have 0 sales and I've earned this. And today's only Thursday, by the way. Today's only Thursday. All right. So now, look at that. 0 sales and I've earned that, over $1,100. Today is only Thursday. It's only Thursday. My account most likely is going to finish probably close to or north of $2,000. with 0 sales. 0 sales. That is referred to as one word. There's one word that I can think of. How am I able to do that? I have created what? I have created in my business what? How is that possible that I have 0 sales and I have over $1,100 in commissions? Because I have created what? What? You guys are saying residual. I'll give you a hint. Starts with an L. Okay? I've created what? So think about this. I took my foot off the gas. Do you guys see that? I took my foot off the gas for my account this week, and I'm still making money. Mr. Ortiz nailed it. Kelly nailed it. Anthony nailed it. Leverage. This is called leverage. And this right here, what I just showed you, because my friend, do numbers lie? Did those numbers lie? Did I take my foot off the gas and sales went down? No, because I have created leverage. You have the opportunity to create leverage. You cannot create leverage as a 1-level affiliate. And you most likely can't create leverage as a 2-level affiliate. Maybe a little bit, but not like that. You have the opportunity with our team, and holy crap, I can't even begin to tell you what we're about to do, okay? Which is coming your way soon, coming soon to a theater near you, what we're about to do, okay? You cannot create leverage as an affiliate marketer. You can't. Unless you want a nonstop market, unless you want to nonstop drive traffic, unless you want to nonstop always be creating content and videos and ads specifically for that offer. So you can get out there and you can go create a 6-figure income as an affiliate easily. You can do that with anything. I could go market coffee mugs and become an affiliate marketer for coffee mugs and make a 6-figure income if I drove enough traffic to it. But what happens to my coffee mug sales if I stop driving traffic? Those sales go away, right? You cannot create and sustain leverage as an affiliate. And this is where team building and network marketing comes into play. You have the ability to build a team. You have the ability to build and create and sustain walk away income. So I want you guys to think about that. Think about what I'm talking about today. Again, numbers don't lie. I have 0 sales for the week. Took my foot off the gas for my account. I have 0 sales and $1,100 in commissions. Numbers don't lie. Proof is in the pudding. And that is because of leverage. Plain and simple, end of story, non-debatable. You can't argue it. Can't argue it. So I want you guys to think about that as we get into July, as we're going through our summer sizzle right now, as those of you guys that are attending the weekly training calls, the Teachable Tuesdays, those of you guys are plugging in and applying what we're teaching. I want you guys to think about that because it's just going to be, you guys understand the opportunity that you have at your fingertips. If you just focused your energy and your attention for a specific time, you could build the same sort of leverage that myself and many others are building right now. You could build that same sort of residual leverage and be able to, at some point, peel back on your advertising and build a team that runs without you having to be in it all the time. That is called creating walkaway income and creating leverage. Okay?